Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your social media accounts with Hootsuite. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Hootsuite and log in to your account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Add Social Network option. Choose the social media platform you want to protect. Authorize Hootsuite to access your account. Once connected, head to the security settings within Hootsuite. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Select a method for two-factor authentication, such as SMS or authenticator apps. Set strong, unique passwords for each of your social media accounts. Consider using a password manager to help manage these passwords. On the dashboard, monitor any unusual activity through the Insights section. Set up alerts for login attempts from unrecognized devices. Regularly review the permissions granted to third-party apps connected to your accounts. Remove any applications you no longer use. Enable social listening features in Hootsuite to track mentions of your brand. Use the scheduling tool to plan your posts ahead of time. This can prevent unexpected content from being published. Regularly update your privacy settings on each social media platform. Be cautious of the information you share publicly. Finally, educate your team about best practices for social media security. Regularly check for updates or new features in Hootsuite related to account protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.